Recording. Forefront Dermatology in Crown Point, Indiana, on whatever day today is, October 5th or something. Yeah, that. Looks like the start of a belly here, around 20 feet. Wait until we get out here, fam. Camera completely underwater, pipe looks about halfway full. We'll be coming up here to a bend. Oh, ghosts. Ooh. And bam! Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks like somebody's intestines.
It does. Ugh.
You can see the water's coming by. It looks like it might turn left there. Alright, we're gonna... Oh no. Do you see that?
Yep.
All those worms?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Just making sure. Alright, we're gonna probably run drain machine and camera again.